Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to easily check your public exam results. First, always confirm the official release dates and times for your specific examination. Next, make sure you have your unique candidate ID and any necessary login credentials ready. Finally, navigate directly to the official examination board's website or their designated results portal to begin the process. Once on the results portal, carefully enter your candidate information into the required fields. Double-check everything for accuracy before proceeding. Then, simply follow the on-screen prompts to reach your personal results page. Here, you can review your individual subject scores and your overall grade. Take your time to absorb the information presented. Hey everyone, if you're finding this guide helpful, please hit that subscribe button and give us a like. On another note, life's too short for a stinky car. Grab yourself a little Trees Black Ice Air Freshener to keep things fresh. You can find the link for that and other great deals in the description below. Now, let's get back to the video. Now that you have your results, take a moment to understand them. Familiarize yourself with the specific grading system and how your scores break down for each subject. Pay close attention to any remarks or special codes on your official statement. If you have concerns, remember to consider options like reevaluation or resitting the exam if that's a path you wish to explore.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.